Welcome to beautiful Milan. Yeah, it's gonna rain the next couple days. Hopefully it stops.
We just finished eating at a pizza place. Forgot the name. And we walked right down to the Duomo di Milano.
Oh, the Duomo. Oh, gatto. No.
One thing we have, you're stupid. You're so stupid. No. Please stop. I'm gonna leave him here. He doesn't have his phone, so he can't get back to our Airbnb. Milano, compared to Rome, is so much cleaner and nicer, and we took the metro and it was so clean and it felt safe, which I'm sure there's some sketchy areas, but even like compared to Paris's metro, it was a lot nicer. We were quite impressed.
So when you walk in to Duomo, they have a little security area. They check your bag, so you can't bring a bag in here, but they're just gonna check it all, and then they check for the green passes, and you have to buy your tickets in a different area, different locations. But here it is. This is just the inside, and pretty intricate detail, but we're gonna go up top where the real fun is. Downstairs. Our tickets worked. This is one of the crypts. So that was kind of cool. We got to go underneath Duomo, and we got to see the crypts that are underneath, and some of the art mosaic. Now we're getting ready to climb some stairs so we can go up top. So we'll be on top of the Duomo. Show you what's up there. Now we're on the rooftop of the Duomo. All these little details up here. They said that nobody would have seen this, but they said they did it because the people looking down from the heavens can see it. That's the reason why they made all the statues up here. Going up even higher. More stairs. Thundering and lightning just a tad bit up here at the old Duomo. That's the very top with all the gold.
Yeah. So Ryan's coming.
Yeah, we probably should.
Shall we go?
Probably should head down.
You can see me over there.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at that one up there. Look at those pillars, like that angel with wings. Those up top. And that's gonna conclude the top of Duomo because it looks like rain all around. So we're gonna try and get off the roof here. We'll see. I guess we're gonna exit on the other side because it's all different. Now We're gonna go do some shopping.
Really?
No, we can't afford this place, but here comes all the expensive stores. We're going in there. So apparently there's a spot here in the middle where you turn around on your heel 3 times on the bull's testicles and you get good luck. So we're gonna see if we can try and find it. There you go.
There?
Yeah. Look, it's still worn out. Look. And there's the bull's testicles. Can't even see his testicles anymore because everybody's beating it up. Oh yeah, you want to go to Prada? Prada's right next to the bull. And then
Gucci's over here. You have a Gucci wallet.
right across is
We
Louis
used to play with
Vuitton.
one.
Oh look, there's 2 Prada stores.
One wasn't enough. They needed 2.
Pretty cool little area. There's Gucci. Fendi is opening soon. Apparently everybody is taking pictures with the Iceman. All around this city is these little globe things. A lot of them are like Earth and stuff like that. There's one back that way. There's one over there. And there's another one right here. They just have like different sayings and different things on them. Pretty cool. Try to find them all. Apparently, everybody drives a scooter around here and they just park right on the side of the street.
I stepped in puddles.
Stepped in a puddle?
Yeah.
Oh,
I have 2 pairs of tennis shoes.
yeah. That's what we get for walking around in the rain. But that's Milan in October. Oh, that's COVID. I think that guy just coughed and he has COVID. When in Milan, you go to your 2-story Lego store. In the store. I have a feeling some of these pigeons were fed before. The kids sucking from the teat. Sucking from the teat. Hold up.